Hello and welcome everyone. Today is an special moment for all of us at Star Robotics. Today we are celebrating 10 years of innovation, engineering and collaboration with customers and partners around the world. Our mission has been clear: to push the boundaries of robotics for security and inspection. And today we want to share that journey with you. During this live stream, we're going to cover three things: the story of how Star Robotics began, the incredible partners that help us grow globally, and finally, something that we've been working on for years. But before we jump on to the future, let's take a look to what it all started.
It all started with a vision to redefine security and inspection. At first, there was only the idea, small in scale, big in purpose. Then came the first steps, a growing team, a shared ambition. Time brought progress. Progress brought movement. And movement turned vision into reality. Then came the moment when vision met reality. Real operations, real customers, real responsibility. And with every new step, we learned something deeper. That robotics is not about replacing people. It is about extending them, supporting them, protecting them where risk, repetition, and distance create limits. We listened carefully to operators, to customers, to every environment we entered. Their feedback shaped us. They pushed us to go further, to be smarter, more reliable, more precise, more useful in every mission. So we expanded what I could do. We explored new ways to inspect, new ways to assist, new ways to help teams see more, reach more, and do more. A belief that robotics could do more for safety, more for inspection, more for the people behind every operation. What started small became scalable. What began as a vision became a system, a platform, a growing presence across industries, sites, and countries. And now, after 10 years, we know exactly who we are. We are Star Robotics. 10 years creating robots for the real world.
Over this past decade, we have learned a key lesson. The physical security and inspection industries demand relentlessness. Despite the initial temptation to think otherwise, we quickly recognized that both these worlds would never revolve around robotics alone. We belong to a greater ecosystem, one built alongside partners, integrators, other service providers, and clients. We've embraced this reality as our greatest strength by focusing on our key expertise in robotics. While learning from the frontline experts in security, we seek to deliver a product that is aligned with the needs of the people who will most benefit from it, the end customer. 2025 served as the proof of this shift. By adding 6 new partners across 5 different countries, we have deployed Watchbot at data centers, electrical substations, public campuses, and shopping malls. These weren't just pilots, they were proof that these partners could trust us and the Watchbot to solve specific customer pains which were difficult to address otherwise. As a result, today, these partners are offering our technology to a combined client base of thousands. This reinforces our belief that, as technology evolves, robotics will only become a more powerful resource, and because of that, automation is here to stay. Our partners have played a fundamental role in turning robotics into real operational value. So let's hear what some of them have to share on their journey.
Well, the relationship with Star Robotics started about 2 years ago, and we had a very good alignment in how to bring the Watchbot into the United States. So Star Robotics gave us the opportunity to go into the market with an inspection and surveillance function, and so far it has been wonderful. We have sold numerous Star Robotics Watchbots into the US and also into the Americas. When you see what's happening in the industry, and I'm just coming from the Mobile World Congress 2026 in Barcelona, you see robotic solutions all over the place. Everybody has a robotic solution. Well, I didn't see a robotic solution as the Watchbot is providing in the inspection and security space. So it has really meaningful use cases right now with our clients in a big business campus where the Watchbot also checks certain use cases. And wherever you have a very good kind of surveillance or inspection use case, the Star Robotics Watchbot works very well.
As security engineers, we have constantly expanded to meet the needs of our clients. In today's environment, that becomes more and more challenging as people and resources are more difficult to obtain. And so we've constantly looked at technologies that can help us find a way to meet the needs of our customers and provide them great customer service on a safe, secure environment in an efficient manner. So when we began our search, we began to identify the features, capabilities of the Watchbot by Star Robotics. It checked all of the boxes. It allowed us to handle more complex customer locations. Encouragement that we get from the Star Robotics team has been tremendous, from site startup to ongoing performance. We know that we have the backup of Star Robotics to support our actual employee that's a security engineer.
At Broadgate, we introduced Watchbot as part of a focused pilot to explore how robotics can complement traditional security operations in a complex, high-footfall estate. The objective wasn't to replace people, but to enhance visibility. It's enhancing consistency and responsiveness, particularly during quiet periods or in areas that benefit from continuous monitoring. What we've seen so far is encouraging. Watchbot brings a level of persistence and data capture that's difficult to achieve through manual patrols. It allows our teams to spend more time on high-value, human-led activity engagement, judgment, and incident response, while the technology supports routine surveillance and reporting. This reflects a shift in what clients are asking us for today. Security is no longer just about presence. It's never been about that. It's about insight. It's about assurance. And it's about the intelligent use of data.
Over the past 10 years, Star Robotics has grown alongside the security and inspection industry. What started as a vision applying robotics to the real world has evolved into deployments across multiple sectors, countries, and environments. In this journey, one thing has remained constant: learning from the field. Every deployment, every facility, every partner and customer's collaboration has helped us understand what security operations truly need. And the experience led us to the next step: a new generation of robotics for security and inspection. Today, we are proud to introduce the results of years of development, feedback, and operational learning. The next evolution of Watchbot, Watchbot 2.
Today, I'm excited to introduce Watchbot 2. our next generation autonomous security robot. Let's take a closer look at the main operational improvement introduced in Watchbot 2. From the beginning, our goal was bold, not just to upgrade components, but to transform the entire platform. We focus on 4 critical priorities: true operational autonomy, resilience in any environment, persistent reliability, and effortless maintenance, because real-world deployment demands nothing less. Watchbot 2 stands strong on 5 pillars that set the new Star Robotics flagship. First, autonomy. With a completely redesigned battery system, Watchbot 2 can now operate for up to 16 hours a day, double the capacity of the previous version. As a result, this new autonomy enables longer patrol cycles, fewer charging interruptions, and greater service continuity across larger facilities. Second, environmental resistance. We have planned Watchbot 2 to perform under the most difficult conditions. It includes advanced sealing, providing better protection against heavy rain, windy conditions, and dust. In parallel, the operating temperature range has also been extended. Next, low light performance becomes crucial. Security never sleeps, and neither does Watchbot 2. The new system operates better in the dark, ensuring surveillance 24/7. To address this, Watchbot 2 improves operation in low light conditions through the 2 main upgrades. The first upgrade is a new front illumination and 360-degree signaling system, including emergency lighting. The second is a new 360-degree camera module with better sensors. Fourth, audio clarity. With an advanced microphone and a much more powerful speaker, Watchbot 2 cuts through noise, making every message clear even in the loudest environment. And finally, maintenance and service. One of the key engineering targets of Watchbot 2 was to simplify maintenance procedures and reduce service time. The platform has been designed to support easier replacement of critical components, such as the motors, the battery, and the observation module. Thanks to this engineering focus, we have improved maintenance, reduced intervention, and support faster technical service operations. At the same time, the new generation also offers greater mechanical robustness and improved overall product quality, contributing to higher durability and better long-term operational performance. So, in summary, Watchbot 2 introduced improvements in real autonomous operation: greater autonomy, improved weather resistance, a stronger performance in low light conditions, clear audio capability, and simplified maintenance. Now, Charlotte is going to explain the most exciting innovation yet: Watchbot Intelligence.
Now, let's talk about what truly powers Watchbot 2, Watchbot Intelligence. With Watchbot 2, one of the biggest leaps forward come from a completely improved navigation system. At the heart of this progress is a major increase in onboard computing power. Watchbot 2 now incorporates 6 times more computing capacity than the previous generation. This additional computing power allows the robot to run more advanced algorithms in real time, improving 3 essential pillars of Watchbot Intelligence: localization, environment perception, and navigation intelligence. Let's go through them. First, next generation localization. Watchbot 2 introduces a significantly enhanced localization and navigation systems. For the first time, Watchbot 2 will include GPS-based localization, something that was not available in the previous generation, and something you've been asking a lot for. This new capability is designed to enable navigation in completely outdoor, large, open or semi-structured spaces without needing to rely on physical references. At the same time, reference-based localization has also been improved. It is now more robust and flexible, allowing us to even expand operational areas. Second is advanced environment perception. With the new sensors architecture, Watchbot 2 is designed to understand its surrounding more completely than ever before. It can now better detect elevated obstacles at close range, an important improvement for real-world environments where not every hazard appears at ground level. And with an expanded horizontal field of view, Watchbot eliminates the rear blind zone that existed in the previous generation. In addition, the system will now detect negative obstacles at mid and close range. This includes detecting hazards such as walls, drops, ramps, and stairs. These are exactly the kinds of challenges that define real environments, and detecting them earlier makes navigation safer and more dependable. Third is navigation intelligence, and this is where everything comes together, because better localization and better perception are not just isolated improvements. Together, they enable better decisions. Watchbot 2 is designed to generate high-reliability multimodal traversability maps. That means it will not simply identify obstacles individually. It will interpret the environment more globally, combining multiple sensing inputs and distinguishing between safe and non-traversable areas. This allows the robot to navigate more intelligently in environments where terrain may be irregular, unpredictable, or changing over time. Built on the proven foundations. And importantly, Watchbot 2 does not replace the navigation capabilities that have already proven effective in the previous generation. It builds on them. Now, they are reinforced by a much more powerful architecture for perception, localization, and intelligent navigation. So, when we talk about Watchbot intelligence, we are talking about far more than just a hardware upgrade. We are talking about a robot that can locate itself more reliably, understand its environment more completely, and make smarter navigation decisions in real time. And that is what defines Watchbot 2, a platform built not only for challenges of today, but for the environment and capabilities of tomorrow.
From the very beginning, in 2016, our mission has been clear: to bring robotics into real security and inspection operations. Not as an experiment, but as a practical tool that would help security and inspection teams operate safer, more efficiently, and with more accurate information. With Watchbot 2, we are taking a next step into that journey. A platform which is built on years of experience and is designed taking into account the input of our partners and clients and engineered to meet the real demands of modern security and inspection operations. Watchbot 2 represents more than a new robot. It represents the needed evolution of autonomous systems. This is your opportunity to be part of the next generation of robotics security. Do remember that our stock is limited. Beginning tomorrow onwards, the pre-order period is open for our first available batch, which will be ready for delivery in September. And while we'll be busy producing the future of security operations, we're just dreaming that the next 10 years will be as exciting as the past 10. Thank you all.